Espanso. It's just a super useful text expander. Neardrop. With Neardrop you can get quick share and nearby share on your Mac. Google Drive. If you use Google Drive, this is a must-have. It adds Google Drive to your file and automatically makes backups. Grammarly. It's a digital writing assistant that uses AI to help you improve your writing. It offers suggestions for correcting grammar, spelling and style errors. Velja. With Velja, you can choose your standard browser directly from your menu bar. You can also create rules. For example, every link that opens from Visual Studio Code is opened in Google Chrome and the rest in Arc. Magnet. Magnet allows you to do something that you can do on Windows since 2007. Window snapping. And yes, I know, this feature will come with macOS 15, but I've already tried the beta and the window snapping is so bad that I continue using Magnet. Unfortunately, Magnet costs $5, but there are alternatives like Rectangle. Rocket. It allows you search for emojis by just pressing a custom hotkey. Only Switch. Only Switch is like the control center on steroids. It's super customizable and can even hide your menu bar items. Mackie. It's just a clipboard manager like Windows has it since Windows 10. Proton VPN. It's my VPN because it's the only good VPN I know that has a free version. Color picker. It's just a color picker. Shortcuts. I created a few nice and helpful shortcuts and put them right there to have easy access on them. By the way, I have a video specifically about the shortcuts app plan, so if you don't want to miss it, I'd recommend subscribing. So if you ask why I don't use something like Drawer or CleanShot X, I just use the integrated screenshot tool from macOS to do everything, even my screen recorded for these videos, and I like it. Okay, I hope you used your menu bar now for more useful things than just adjusting your brightness. See you in the next video.